Bola ng black.
Sorry po.
Viedo.
Galaw.
Pinasa kay Anggara. Anggara ibinalik kay Napoles. Napoles. No good. Rebound ng Anggara. Anggara again. No good again. It's a jump ball. Tayo ng bola. Tayo ng bola. Black ball. Black ball.
Ito pagsasabihan pa.
Inbound by Napoles. Napoles to Viedo. Pinas kay Anggara. Anggara to Joseco. Yes. 2 points for Joseco. Ventura. Nagdadala ng bola. Pass to Lagun. Lagun ibinalik kay Ventura. Ventura to Lagun to Ebdani. Ebdani. Yes. 3 points for Ebdani. Viedo. Nagdadala ng bola. Pinasa kay Napoles again. Subukal. No good. Nakuha ng Anggara. Nakuha ulit ng Lagun. Lagun. Kay Espinosa. Espinosa to Lagun. Yan, nakuha ni Viedo ang bola. Ipinasa kay Napoles. It's a loose ball. Last shot by Napoles. Blue ball. Lagun to Melgaso. Melgaso itinira. No good. Nakuha ni Joseco. Joseco to Viedo. Time left 7 minutes and 46 seconds. It's a traveling violation committed by Joseco. 7 minutes and 38 seconds. Mahaba pa. Anin lang yan. Espinosa to Ventura. No good. Rebound Espinosa. Foul by Joseco. 7 minutes and 22 seconds. Joseco third personal foul. Per second. No good.
Nakabidyo yan bro. Shoot mo.
Last attempt for Espinosa. No good again. Rebound by Anggara to Napoles. Napoles. Espinosa kay Viedo. Viedo to Anggara. Anggara. No good. Lagun. No good. Kuha ni Bongkawel ang bola. Bongkawel to Joseco to Anggara. Anggara no good. Nakuha ni Melgaso. Melgaso nagdadala ng bola. Foul si Napoles. Time left 6 minutes and 46 seconds. Napoles second personal foul. Second team foul.
Golaw!
Fourth team foul pala. Napoles. Guido, nagdadala ng bola. It's a loose ball. Last touch by Bongkaw. Ang oras ay 6 minutes and 31 seconds. 6 minutes and 31 seconds.
Para may sa film call.
Lalim ha, lalim.
May panonoorin sila.
Espinosa. To Ventura. 14 second shot clock. Lagun. No good. Nakuha ka agad ng Lagun. Follow up by Lagun. 2 points for Lagun.
Daan ako.
13 second shot clock. Same ball. 11 second shot clock. Napoles. Napoles. No good. Nakuha ni Bongkaw. Bongkaw, no good again. Nakuha. Mistake. 2 points for mistake.
Kaya. Yun.
Yes, 2 points for Ebdani. Masya Allah. Belgas. Lagun again. Yes, 2 points for Lagun. 5 minutes and 10 seconds. 5 minutes.
Sir, ba't kanina walang television kanina?
5 minutes and 5
Para may
seconds.
papanoorin kayo sa Tikon. Sa film
14
call.
second shot clock.
Haras kagad.
Foul by Espinosa. Time left 4 minutes and 52 seconds. Time out Black Team. Time out Black Team. Ang foul ay si Espinosa.
Doy,
Espinosa, ilan ang foul ni Espinosa?
ang mga pogi.
May foul si Espinosa.
Yan, committee, dito ang committee.
Espinosa second.
Check.
Third personal foul. Espinosa third personal foul.
Abdul Karim.
Both ang bawat opponent ay warning na. Warning.
Hindi kami pumunta sa amin eh.
First penalty.
Yung 3-pointers. Jay, ngayon ka lang? Yung guys item. Ayan o, itong team, black team. Black team to. Yador. Bongkawer.
Okay, tapos na.
Abdurrahman.
Buhay ka pa pala? Abital. Penalty na?
Jay, pangkuenas.
Abe, warning.
Papapanood mo ito mamaya. Oh.
Talaga naman.
Warning for penalty. Bawat opponent ay warning for penalty pala.
Side ball.
Isa lang ang kailangan ng black.
Ready, blue ball.
Yudor for 3 points, no good. Rebound by Abita. Dumating na para si Abita. Ventura for 3 points, no good. Espinosa, yes, 2 points for Espinosa. Time left 4 minutes and 32 seconds. No good. Nakuha ni Melgaso. No good. Nakuha ni Vidor ang bola. Ipinasa kay Anggara. Anggara to Joseco. Joseco, 2 points for Joseco. Habitat. Habitat to Espinosa. Espinosa, yes. 2 points for Espinosa. 3 minutes and 46 seconds left for the last half.
Magandang ikot lang yan, magandang ikot lang yan.
Angara to Napoles. Napoles, yes. 2 points for Napoles. Foul. Sinang foul? Angara.
Penalty, penalty.
Penalty. 3 minutes and 20 seconds left.
Jay, Jay.
Angara, third personal foul. Substitution. Ventura out, Rosales team. First attempt for Abdani. Yes. 1 point. Last throw for Abdani. Basket. Three minutes and 14 seconds left. 14 second shot clock. Foul by Rosales. Hindi raw sinasadya. Penalty. First attempt, Bongkawe. No good. Last attempt, no good. Rebound by Espinosa. Espinosa to Abdani. Abdani. Intercepted by Angara. Angara to Bongkawe. Foul by Habital.